Tada.
I'll go.
Okay, madali. And starting for your eyes.
Okay.
Some glitter. Some glitter.
Our boss.
Look at eyes.
Not the wet one.
Don't you open your eyes, ma'am, okay?
Not the... do you know the wet one is a lipstick? Do you know?
Yes.
Yeah, this
Oh.
is for blush on and for eyeshadow.
Looks so cute, right, Mom?
I don't know.
Now you're starting for your lips now. Alright?
Huh? Why is it the same?
Just saying it looks the same. I don't like it. Now starting for your nails. Starting for your nails.
No, not my nails. I already have.
Okay.
Mommy Jai did this.
Now for your wings. For your wings is going to look that's better.
Let me see your nails. Is it... oh no. No, mine.
It's okay, Mom. Ooh, I like the blue one for you. Oops. I'll put this up to you. Alright.
And that's enough. One only.
Why one only?
We're done now. Smile.
Now the pink one. The pink one is more prettier with sparkles. Sparkle looks cute. Oops. Oops. I just get this. And I like this one. It looks cute, right? Wait, Mom. And put this. And now
Enough na.
the Vicky one.
I'm going to...
No, don't move it.
I don't like na.
The last one. Ulit, Mom, the last one na. Wait.
I'm going to wash my face.
The last one na. Okay, Mom? Alright.
Alright.
And the last one. Point. The last one now, okay? Now for your nails. Why?
Not on my nails.
Look at the mirror now. I look so ganda. Mama, now it's for my turn. Alright, Mom?
You already have makeup. What do you mean?
I need more. I think for my nails.
This one, no, Ellie. Oh. Yeah, this one is for the wet. You want me to put you some... this one?
No, I do it by my own.
This one?
This one, I like the purple one.
You don't know how pa eh.
Kasi 8 corners pa ata nila Ellie.
Say bye!
Bye next video.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye.